Welcome viewer.
It's Zeos9.
This video tutorial describes fix recycle bin corrupted in Windows 11, 10. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type RD space, /s space, /q space, /c:\, $recycle.bin. Second method is open File Explorer. Click 3 click Options. Check Show Hidden Files Folders or Drives, uncheck Hide Protected Operating System Files. Delete $recycle.bin. Refresh. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.